Are you beak grinding already, love? You just woke up. You just woke up, you know. Honey. Honey. Oh my God, this sound. This is what 23 years young looks like, yeah. With just a little green in your fetching white feathers from yesterday's deep dive into the pasta dish that your mommy was trying to eat, huh? Yeah. Or maybe that's leftover pizza stains, or it could be from the crepe. You know you're cute, don't you? Oh my goodness, I'm dying of cuteness over here. Making every morning bright and beautiful for 23 years now. Yeah, that's my lovebird. That's my soul bird.